In this video, Noir takes me around all of his hardware in his studio. If you're a hardware nut, you're going to love this. Let's jump in. Hey, it's Grahame from Data Transmission, and today on the Big Question series, I welcome Noir, and he takes me around his favourite pieces of hardware. If you're a big hardware fan, you're going to love this video. There's tons of it, and he takes around loads of different ones that he shows you. Without further ado, I'm wasting no more time. Let's jump in and see what Noir's favourite hardware is.
Hey Grahame, thanks for having me on Data Transmission's The Big Question. For those who don't know me, my name is Noir, and I'm here to talk about my favorite hardware. And my favorite is this modular setup. It's the modular case with all the components, the synthesizer I built myself, and it's kind of set up with these semi-modular stuff. There's the Moog grandmother, the Mother 32 and the D-Fam, and an oak host from Make Noise. And this is just my favorite place. There's a lot of randomness going on here, and a lot of patching, of course, going on. And it's just very inspiring and very, very cool to work with. For the more basic stuff, I use my Moog Sub 37, mainly for bass lines and big leads. I also really like the Innovation Peak. That's for the more ambient, the more paddy stuff. So pads come from this a lot in my productions. And my current favorite is this. It's a new synthesizer from Arturia called the Micro Freak, and it's just a very cool, very inspirational synth. It's got quite a lot of in-depth to it for its size and price, and because it's new, it's very exciting to me. So there you go. Those were my favorite hardware pieces from my little humble studio here in Denmark.
Thanks again for watching us this week. Which was your favourite piece of hardware? Drop me in the comments. Let me know which you prefer. If you've got hardware, what do you have? Do you like these videos that are more hardware based? If you do, let me know in the comments and I'll see if we can get some more. Again, if you like these, please share, like, comment with all your mates, and I'll see you again next time. See you there. Bye.